Alchemy, the art of turning base metals into gold, or as most historians would put it, the art of wasting centuries and a whole lot of perfectly good mercury. But hey, who are we to judge? Especially when the story is this much fun. Our story begins in the dusty workshops of the Middle Ages, where men with impressive beards and questionable hygiene dedicated their lives to the great work. These weren't just your average Joes tinkering in their garages. These were alchemist members of a sort of, well, let's call it a secret society of early chemists, philosophers, and let's be honest, a few charlatans. They weren't just after bling, though. Okay, mostly they were after bling. But they also believed that by understanding the transmutation of metals, they could unlock the secrets of the universe. They thought everything was made of varying combinations of four elements: earth, air, fire, and water. And if you could just get the ratios just right, boom! Gold! Needless to say, things didn't always go according to plan. Many alchemists spent years, even decades, experimenting with bizarre concoctions, often with explosive results. They accidentally discovered all sorts of interesting things, like gunpowder, various acids, and the fact that some metals are really poisonous, which, good to know. One of the most famous alchemists was Nicolas Flamel, a 14th century French scribe who became legendary for supposedly discovering the philosopher's stone, the key ingredient for turning lead into gold and granting immortality. Of course, there's no real evidence he ever did any of that, but that doesn't stop a good story, does it? While the dream of turning lead into gold ultimately remained just that, a dream, the alchemists weren't complete failures. They laid the groundwork for modern chemistry, developing lab techniques, discovering new elements, even if they didn't know what they were at the time, and pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge. So the next time you're admiring a shiny gold ring, remember the alchemists. Those eccentric, sometimes misguided, but ultimately fascinating figures who chased a dream of transmutation, and in the process, helped pave the way for modern science. They may not have found the gold they were looking for, but they certainly struck something far more valuable. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe.